As you all know, Frankfin is the #1 aerospace training institute in the world. We have the largest network of centers, and we also are in the Limca Book of Records for having placed the maximum students as aerostesses in domestic and international airlines. Frankfin, we started in 1997. We have been in existence for 13 years, and it comes under the Frankfin Aviation Services Private Limited. We also we are also publishers of a magazine called Aviation Times, which is the only third-party aviation magazine in the world. We have been offering a BTEC HNC in aviation, hospitality and travel management. Now this course is certified by Edexcel UK. So this BTEC HNC is recognized in about 110 countries in the world. See, we have regular airlines doing regular campus interviews at our campuses. We have tie-ups with Emirates and other international airlines. We have domestic airlines also regularly doing campus interviews at our various locations. See, the course fees is for the 1-year course is 1,47,000. Okay, and the course lasts for 1 year, every day 2 hours. It's a part-time course. Now we have launched 4 other products, basically towards catering towards different segments of the same industry. Now people who want to specialize, who want to do a shorter course, who want to do a more affordable course, we have now more courses on offer for them. We have 80 plus centers across the country. Hyderabad, we have 2, one in Hyderabad and one in Secunderabad. Well, we have been here since last 4 years, and we have been we started with 1 center. We have 2 centers today, and we have a center in Vizag also. So we have been doing pretty well. We have had a lot of airlines who have been recruiting here from here regularly. We have a lot of our students placed in domestic and international airlines. See, we have a job assistance program whereby we have, as I said, all airlines recruit from us. Now we after the course is over, we give them a 18-month job assistance, whereby we give them interview opportunities with various airlines. And right now we have 2 branches. I think that should be able to take care of the requirement in Hyderabad. In fact, we are now looking at expanding abroad. We already have a center in Dubai. We have our presence in Mauritius and Hong Kong. We are intending to start many more centers abroad. No, if you actually see, if you have seen the articles, I can show you the articles which have been appearing in various media, that the last 6 months, all the airlines are now on a recruitment mode. All of them have said the aviation sector is booming. The fact that, India, at least 400 more airports are coming up in India, across India, is, evidence to the fact that more and more job opportunities will be created. See, whoever wants to make a career as a cabin crew, as a air hostess or a flight steward, okay, let me tell you that it is not just a glamour industry. It has a lot of hard work also involved. Now, as far as getting opportunities is concerned, as far as this training is concerned, we give the top of the class training. We have international certification for the course, and plus we are there in the Limca Book of Records for maximum placements in the industry. So we have, in fact, more than all other academies put together. See, there are typically we recruit the people who join this course are in the age group of 17 to 24 years.